Hello everyone and welcome back to Dr. Shorov's classes. Today we are talking about one of the most career boosting finance certifications, the Certified Management Accountant or the CMA offered by IMA USA. If you want to build a future in corporate finance, management accounting, budgeting, cost analysis or strategic planning, CMA is the perfect qualification for you. So let's begin with the exam structure first. CMA has two parts and each part tests the real corporate decision making skills. Part 1 focuses on the external financial reporting, planning, budgeting and forecasting, cost management, internal controls and the technology and analysis. Part 2 focuses on the financial statement analysis, corporate finance, decision analysis, risk management, investment decisions and the professional ethics. Part 1 is more operational and part 2 is more analytical. Together they make you a complete finance professional. Now let's talk about the preparation strategy. CMA is not an examination you pass by memorizing. You pass it by understanding the business logic. Start with the three-phase study structure. Phase 1, the concept learning. Read each topic slowly and clearly. Understand why companies budget, how cost structure work and how analysis evaluate the financial statements and why decision analysis matters. And there comes the phase 2, the practice questions. CMA question bank is huge. Use it. Solve it at least to 2000 to 3000 MCQs per build accuracy and develops the business intuition. And phase 3 is the mock examination that take the full length time mock test to understand how quickly you can think under the pressure, and CMA just tests your speed, clarity and decision making. Now some special advice for the CMA candidates. Do not ignore the cost management. It's one of the heaviest scoring sections. Learn how to handle the financial ratios. They appear everywhere. Practice writing short essay type responses. Part 2 especially requires the structured answers. And keep a formula notebook for the quick revision and spend at least 20% of on your time internal controls on the risk management. They are essential in the corporate environments. One of the best thing about CMA is its career relevance, and the concept you learn are exactly what financial managers use in budgeting, pricing, forecasting and planning the decisions. Whether you aim for the big four firms, MNCs, bank and consulting, CMA gives you a real advantage. So if you are ready to transform your finance career, CMA is your path and we are here to guide you at every step. Join us today.